The scene at NAMDIA was busy, with police blue lights flashing, including other law enforcement agencies and private security forces. It was Saturday, 18th of January 2025, in the late afternoon when news broke out of a shooting at the diamond marketing and processing company. Early reports on the incident did not highlight the scope of what actually transpired, but authorities then stated that several suspects entered the premises, overpowered security personnel and staff, and accessed the rough diamonds. Senior Protection Officer Francis Eiseb was shot during the incident. The police found Eiseb's head covered with a plastic bag. His hands and legs were also restrained. After the police ended the active crime scene, it was also reported that Trust Cause Group's Chief Operations Officer of the company's Internal and Forensic Investigations Unit, Max Njala, died by suicide. Police investigations began immediately, with authorities indicating that the suspects appeared to have had knowledge of the building and its security systems. In the weeks that followed, a number of suspects were arrested, including individuals apprehended in Keetmanshoop. Those charged face counts that include murder, robbery with aggravating circumstances, attempted murder, and possession of rough diamonds. Joel Angula was a protection officer at NAMDIA. Police would later confirm the diamonds were found at his residence. Sam Shololo, a G4S security guard who was said to be on duty at the time of the robbery, has also since been arrested. The accused have made several court appearances and the matter remains before the courts. According to court papers, to date, diamonds valued at about $40 million have been recovered, while the remainder, estimated at $314 million, are still unaccounted for. The robbery led to internal action at NAMDIA, with the board placing senior executives on suspension pending investigations into security and management processes. The company has since reported that changes were made to security arrangements and cooperation with law enforcement agencies was strengthened. 1 year after the robbery, the case has not been finalized and more arrests are being made. The latest being Charles Roman, also a protection officer at NAMDIA, who was suspended without pay until both internal and criminal investigations are concluded. He is being charged with defeating the end of justice and contravening the Prevention of Organized Crime Act in Keetmanshoop's Magistrates Court. Roman is connected to the Klude family. Dino, his wife, and his brother form part of the earlier arrest in Keetmanshoop. The Kludes were not directly involved in the actual diamond heist, but are alleged to have been given the stolen NAMDIA diamonds, which they later sold in South Africa. An investigating officer who spoke to NBC News said the Kludes came under the police microscope after there was a visible change in their lifestyle, including the purchase of multiple luxury vehicles and items. NAMDIA has since entrusted lawyers Gilroy Casper and has lodged a claim with the High Court asking the G4S be ordered to pay the value of the diamonds as it was entrusted with the security at the company. 1 year after the brazen diamond heist, the investigation remains a complex saga of a complicit web yet to be unrevealed in the local courts in 2026. Emil Sabeb, NBC News, Windhoek.